Alright y'all, before we get into today's video, I want to take a second to say welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are killing it. You're smashing the subscribe button. You guys have been smashing the like button. You're helping my channel grow exponentially. And I would just want to say thank you. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here doing these videos and bringing you a little slice of Puerto Rico from my point of view. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate each and every one of you. We're on the road to 10K. We're going to get there soon. I can feel it. Things are growing at a very quick rate right now. I'm so happy. I'm ecstatic. Yeah. So, if you're new here, if this is your first video you've ever watched, my name's Tanner Eskew, and I have a farm. Me and my brother have a farm in Puerto Rico, and so that's what's going to be a lot of content that you're going to see over the next couple years. I'm building a house. We're doing big things on the farm. You got to stay tuned. Keep watching. If this is your first video, go back and watch my other videos, and you can kind of see how things are progressing. It's epic. It's going to be great. Stay tuned, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. My analytics tell me that only 30% of you that are watching my videos right now are subscribed. That means 70% of you are not subscribed. So go down there, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you hated about the video. Let's get into day 3. Howdy y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tanner Eskew, and today we're at the farm in Las Marias, and it's currently pretty early. I'm headed up to the little grocery store here, see if I can get something for breakfast. My brother's still sleeping. Yeah, even though yesterday was a failed mission with the Bobcat, our slope is really steep, and I didn't feel comfortable driving the Bobcat down there. So we got done what we could get done with it. I sent it back. We're gonna try to find an operator, somebody that can get down there and do the work. So I know that's not going to be cheap, but I think it's just something that's going to have to be done because this is really steep, and driving a piece of machinery like that on it, for me, wasn't comfortable. Not going to let it get me discouraged though. We still have a lot of manual labor to put in. I'm going to be here for a few more days, and there's a lot of stuff we can do by hand. And yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me to the mini market so you can see. There's some nice views over there. I've taken you guys there before, so stay tuned. And good morning. And please go down there and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Hit that like button or hit that dislike button. I don't give up. Yeah. All right, just do it. Thanks. I was able to order an egg and potato sandwich, so we'll see what comes out. I don't do tacos here, but check out these views, guys. This guy's farm is epic. I could even come over here and get a haircut if I wanted to. It's a nice little place right down the road from our farm. Walking distance. Alright. Just got my sandwich. Decided to come out here to sit on the patio in the sunshine. I'm gonna eat my sandwich real quick. Got some salsa to wash it all down, and some aloe drink to wash that all down. And then we'll head right back up to the farm here and get to work. They use actual French fries. That's okay. It's pretty good. Not bad. What's up, bro? Ready to grab the day by the lips?
Hammered this morning.
Yeah. Feeling good? Me too. Alright, I told my brother this is what we're gonna do first. I said yesterday we're gonna get this papaya out of here and we're gonna get this all leveled out. As you can see, we left this whenever we initially came here and regraded everything, just because the papaya was still growing. So today we're gonna get this out of here. We're gonna level everything out, and we're gonna put some more of this gravel down. So we're gonna start here. Set you guys up somewhere.
See that shit, man?
Wow. Fucking got it. Yeah.
That's some fucking football shit right there. I was thinking as a defender, man. I was a fucking quarterback right there. Well, you got that on camera? Yeah. You got.
Alright, I think I just caught all that on video. My brother literally just linebackered this fucking papaya right out of the ground. Bro, you just muscled that.
I fucking got it, bro.
Yeah, you got it. Hey guys, if you guys are not already subscribed to Hayden SQ on YouTube, the link's gonna be right here or right here somewhere or down in the description. Go subscribe to my brother.
Show you what we're doing from my perspective.
Yeah. Cool.
What's up, bros vlog? Bros, the camera's really dirty, but we just didn't finish put up this fence here. Bro's on the other side of it right now. Just about to head out and show you guys. He's over here weeding the roadside, killing it. Look at him go. Got him a hat on because he was burning up, and he's not burning up no more. Ain't no more. What's up, bro? Get that shit. 5.3 mofos, 5.3. Wow. Look how good the spot's looking, guys. Look how good the spot's looking. Wow.
Okay, my brother and I, we put in a lot of work down here today. Let me show you the progress. It's not perfect. We're gonna put in some more work in the morning, and then we're gonna do a farm tour. So, check it out for now. Brother did this with the Bobcat. I picked up more trash off the road after I weed eated. Looks nice out there though. Then we swing around here. Got all this looking real good. And then we stopped right here. Still got a little bit of work to do here. And then started weed eating over here. What's up, bro?
Oh, our gimbal over here checking everything out, getting the level on things.
Fuck yeah.
That corner is looking better than it's ever looked before. And I'm really excited to get the rest done.
Yeah, I mean, check it out. All the way down, got it weed eated. Weed eater stopped, ran out of string, and then it wouldn't start again, so we thanked it for the work it did today, though. Didn't we, man?
Yeah, we did.
And we'll finish this up tomorrow. We're gonna get all this finished up tomorrow, and then we're gonna do a full tour. So, for now, we're gonna call it a quit on this today. I'm gonna go shower, and we're gonna see what else is on the menu for today.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Alright, we just got down to the spring, drove down here, and we're going to show you guys how we collect our drinking water. Some of you probably have seen this before. My brother does this all the time, so it might not be anything special for you guys. But for some of you that follow me, that have never been to Puerto Rico, there's springs everywhere, and this is just one way that we collect water. So, check it out, guys. That feels good in here, man.
It's so low flow right now. Yeah. That's why I wasn't able to fucking stand for the rain.
Alright, we're gonna drive right past this fire. I'm honestly a little scared. This, oh shit. Yeah, go, bro. This was not here. Unless we just were not paying attention. Yeah. That's why he was asking. There's a guy drove by, he asked if we knew anything about that fire. That was not there, what, 5 minutes ago?
No, I vaguely remember seeing smoke now.
Do you?
Left of my eye, but just like a little trickle, it didn't bother me. I thought it was like steam or something.
That's crazy. Wow. It's happening all over Puerto Rico. There's fires everywhere.
Well, like this area, because it's so dry right now. It's been like 2 months, like barely any rain. It's been like extra dry season this year for some reason. Crazy.
Yeah, hopefully there's some rain in the forecast next week. Hopefully it comes. Hopefully it comes. All right, after we get spring water, we come down to my brother's favorite swimming hole, and I can't wait to dive in. I'm hot and tired, so it's gonna feel good to get in this refreshing dip, and I can't wait to show you guys. So stay tuned. The vlog's not over yet. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe. See you guys down at the river. Wow. Wow, is this a spot? Wow, this is like equivalent to that spot over there by David's almost. Similar. Nice pool.
This is private.
Got it covered. Sit down and make a edit video. Alright, I think I missed the sunset, but maybe not. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Bro said I already missed it. Oh yeah, you can see the... Still got a good shot. See the ocean. Man, things look so good. Wow, I got halfway through my dinner and I forgot to film it, but this is how my brother does it out here, guys. There's black beans, sweet potatoes, carrots, I got guacamole, a little bit of chips and salsa, threw some black pepper and turmeric on that, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight, bro. Thanks, man.
Yeah, bro.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, bro.
That's how we do it out here.
That's how we do.
That's how we do it out here in Las Marias. Alright, y'all. I'm going to wrap up today's video right now. I'm signing off. The electricity's out, but somehow these lights are still on. Me and my brother, we cannot figure that out, but he says when this fan starts spinning again, then we'll know. That one work? Nah. He said when the fan spins again, we'll know that the electricity is back on. So, how the lights are on. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to end today's video right here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please go down there and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't care. Thanks. Peace.